This is a good news from your neighborhood.
Plumbly Lawyers Network.
This is one page that you must follow.
Plumbly Lawyers Network.
If you want to say bye-bye to those quack plumbers in your neighborhood.
Plumbly Lawyers Network.
Oh, my brothers and sisters, your destiny lies in your hands.
Plumbly Lawyers Network.
We give you all the applications so your plumbing services.
Plumbly Lawyers Network.
Don't worry, distance can never be a barrier.
Plumbly Lawyers Network.
You can do it on your own. You don't have to worry.
We are here for you.
Hey, Plumbly Lawyers Network PLN. That's who we are. Hey, appliance and repair or plumbing service online. We help people solve any kind of water line problems free around the world. That means to say you don't need to pay a dime to any man for service. We are in Italy, Spain, Belgium, and even in Nigeria. That is to say, wherever you are, you can get us. And don't forget to join our ID room, brother. Our ID room at Plumbly Lawyers Network. Every Saturdays from 19:00 p.m. In case you wondering and you are in Nigeria, that means to say at 7 p.m. PLL is waiting for you. This is from me to you, my brother, you that is be battling with your plumbing service at home. You will be going on in a test scatter looking for that plumber that will fix it up for you. For that reason, even your family started looking at you as if you don't know what you are doing, my brother. Why don't you share, follow our page and like our page, comment on it, and join our ID room at every Saturday at 19:00 p.m. Plumbly Lawyers Network. We here for you. I bring you good tidings on Plumbly Lawyers Network PLN, brother. Why don't you follow our page, like our videos, comment on it, and share our posts? If you're not okay, you can join the ID room. You will see men that matters with brilliant ideas and everything you got to know about your plumbing. And it will be very, very so easy for you. It's not all about the theory. We even practicalize what you preach. Hey. Whoa! You can do it on your own. You don't have to worry.
We are here for you. Plumbly Lawyers Network.
This is one page that you must follow.
Plumbly Lawyers Network.
If you want to say bye-bye to those quack plumbers in your neighborhood.
Plumbly Lawyers Network.
Oh, my brothers and sisters, your destiny lies in your hands.
Plumbly Lawyers Network.
You can do it on your own. You don't have to worry.
We are here for you.